Hey there, I thought I'd show you this. This is something that might be of interest to you. This Holden HR came in for a full rub down and buff up. It was painted in an outdoor garage, backyard style, and while the base coat looks good, the clear coat was just terrible. Very dry, very peely, and so much dust in it you'd run your hand over it and it was like sandpaper. So rather than respray this car, which quite frankly might have been easier, we're tasked with rubbing it back and buffing it up. The first stage, I'm starting with 3000 grade sandpaper, just with the palm of my hand, and I'm knocking down all that peel and getting it as flat as I can. The second stage is to reduce the scratch of the 3000 with 2000. So then a really good vigorous palm rub. And then the final stage of sanding, Billy over there's got Trizac. Just hold up the Trizac buzzer there, Billy. So over here he's got on the buzzer some Trizac, which spraying the panel wet, and he just sands the whole car down with this 3000 grade Trizac. Once that's done, we then get out our buff, our lamb's wool or our foam pad, whatever you prefer. I'm a lamb's wool guy. I think Billy over there's a foam pad guy. We then use a coarse cutting compound to really get rid of those sandpaper scratches. Then we'll use a stage 2 cutting compound to get rid of any scratches that may leave. And then we'll finish with a swirl remove and then a wax. So quite a big job. This whole job is going to take us upwards of a week to do. But it is going to be the more cost efficient way rather than rubbing the whole car back for a full respray. So keep watching because we're going to show you little stages of the progress of this, and you'll see how it comes up at the end. We'll get it outside and do a little walk around, and you'll just see how glassy we can get this job. Byron, if you just want to come down and see if you can show the audience the door there. It's hard to see in the camera, but yeah, you can see it there. Just how peely and horrible that clear coat is all the way along. So yeah, big task ahead, but I'm confident we're going to get this thing looking really glassy and ready for the HR Nationals. So keep watching. We got Billy using the waffle pad. It's going to have a nice glassy finish. The main aim is to try and take out all the rub marks. It's a challenge, but there's plenty of clear coat on it, so we've got a lot of clear to work with, a lot of buffing power. We've got Byron working on the rub back. Shinier. It's not a perfectly straight vehicle, but at least the paint's nice and shiny now. The peel is all knocked down and all the dust is sliced out of it. Hey Billy, you've been working about a week on this, haven't you?
Yeah, 5 days straight.
Poor bugger's been going 5 days on this straight, full days, just to try and get this shine that you see. Hey, good job, mate.
Bring it back to life.
Yeah. Billy just doing a final check over, but this is a completed job. One final walk around of this lovely little HR after slicing all the peel down and buffing it up. We haven't got all the peel down. I would be lying if I said that. See a little bit of peel in there, but what we have achieved is a good shine. You're not going to get much shinier. The bad part of achieving such a nice shine is it does bring out the little ripples in the side of the vehicle a lot more. You can see a few there, but I mean, a few ripples, it still looks beautiful, don't you think? I love how low it is sitting on those amazing deep dish wheels. it's a really nice looking HR. I think the beauty about these cars is they were never perfect. They're perfectly imperfect. Now there he is down there with his trailer, coming to pick it up. He's happy with it. It's 6+ days it took for one guy and myself and Byron jumping on and off it with him, helping him out. So it was a big job, a lot of time spent just to get it to look this way. Might have almost just been as cost efficient to paint it, but either way, we've got a good result. It'll look good at the HR Nationals next month. All right, so that's it for this HR. She's off now, and if you want to see it, turn up to the HR Nationals in Stanthorpe. You might just see it there. It's got some beautiful interior. Check this out. Yet to put the passenger seat in and some trims on the back, but just check out this interior. Really lovely. We even had to cut a little run just out of here somewhere. I mean, still a trace of it left, but anyway, looks a lot better. All right, so thanks for watching. As usual, I really appreciate your support. So please like and click and share and all that sort of stuff that us small YouTubers really appreciate. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. All right, lovely HR, I'll see you at the Nationals.